Hello students, today we will discuss Math 7 topic differentiability. Last class we have discussed about the limit and continuity. For continuity, LHL equal to RHL equal to f of c, last class we have discussed. But today we will discuss about differentiability. So what about your differentiability? Differentiability रे अर्थ क्या? Differentiability for any function y equal to f of x. जेकोनोसी गोटे फंक्शन होची y equal to f of x at x equal to c, that there are two neighborhood point. NBD means neighborhood माने पाखा पाखी दीटा पॉइंट गुडा c अछि. सपोज गोटे कर्व पर c अछि गोटे पॉइंट आर एपटे पॉइंट होची c plus h, एपटे पॉइंट होची c minus h. These are the neighborhood point, two neighborhood point. RHD, in this case RHD means right hand derivative. Differentiability means derivative, right hand derivative equal to limit h tends to 0 plus, this is the formula. LHD means left hand derivative, this is the formula. For LHD equal to RHD, if these two are equal, means these two values are equal, then we say the function is differentiable at x equal to c. You are there at x equal to c, this is the constant value given. Here is the note point for all the students. You remember, all the differentiable function are continuous. Due to differentiable function that is continuous. You should not check for the continuous in this case. But all the continuous function are not differentiable. Suppose a continuous function differentiable nahi, but suppose a differentiable function continuous. Due to continuous differentiable continuous check करिया दरकार. देखिए जो डिफरेंशिएबल नाही सेठी हमें कंटीन्यूअस में चेक करिया. जदि गोटे प्रॉब्लम रे बहुत पचारिबो डिफरेंशिएबल एंड कंटीन्यूटी चेक करिया पे लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन रे आस्ता होची इन केस काले हम दिने चेक करिया केमती. लेट्स सी नाउ. ओके, स्टार्ट. Here one of the exercise I left for you. Here 7J. Exercise 7J in element book. Page number 223. Page 223. A set of problems. Question are up to 7 questions are the 9 questions. So now I will discuss one problem for you. Here it is. Test the differentiability and continuity for the following function. In both cases, here the first one is given for you 1. Test for differentiability and continuity. ये both चेक कराबो, differentiability चेक कराबो and continuity चेक कराबो. और जो differentiability है होची continuous चेक करिया दरकार नहीं ना. Already here what to do now? Question number 1. 1 minus 1 by x mod at x equal to 1. Here this is the function given. Solution, you look at how to write solution. Here f of x equal to जोटा दिया है जी, here f of x equal to this one, you write 1 minus 1 by x. This is the f of x. जोटा दिया है जी w f of x at x equal to 1 means c equal to 1. c रो value टा 1. जोटा x रो value side रे दिया है जी, that is c value. Now f of c मैंने 1 पुट कराबो. पुट x बाय 1 पुट कराबो. 1 पुट करले केते आसे देखिबा 1 minus 1 by x by 1 put कराओ. That equal to 1 by minus 1 equal to 0. 0 magnitude equal to also 0. So f of c equal to 1 k. F of c means f of 1. You remember why it is f of 1? Because x c equal to 1. 0 मूल्य 1 दिया है. Now f of c plus h. You find f of c plus h. C plus h means c equal to what? 1. F of 1 plus h. f of 1 plus h. So f of 1 plus h equal to f of x equal to 1 minus 1 by x. So instead of what x you put 1 plus h. जो x ଅଛି 1 plus h put कले कोन आसीबो सेम लिखा हो magnitude 1 minus 1 by x पाखरे केते पुट कराउटी 1 plus h 1 plus h. Now find the LCM. What is the LCM here? 1 plus h. 1 plus h minus 1. 1 got. So remains what? H by 1 plus h. So this is f of 1 plus h means c plus h ro value this one. Okay. Now I come to f of c minus h. F of c minus h. That equal to f of 1 minus h. C equal to 1. So it कौन करा function रे जोड़े f of x है f of x by कौन put करा 1 minus h put करा. So कौन आसी देखियो आईडी magnitude 1 minus 1 by 1 minus h. So LCM find out कर दो आईडी LCM find out करिया LCM find out कर केते आसी बेटी LCM find out कर ले आसी बेटी 1 minus h minus 1 by 1 minus h. 1 got a minus h magnitude plus h by 1 minus h. So एति गेसला बर्तन देखिबा डिफरेंशिएबिलिटी केमति फाइंड आउट कराओ LHD केन फाइंड आउट कराओ RHD केन फाइंड आउट कराओ. लेट्स so now get here LHD equal to limit h tends to 0 minus f of c minus h minus f of c by minus h. This limit h tends to 0 minus f of c minus h कहते हैं f of c minus h this one h by 1 minus h minus f of c कहते हैं f of c it is f of 1 equal to कहते हैं it is 0. So 0 you put by this minus h equal to minus h equal. It has f of c minus h this one minus f of c astila it कहते हैं f of c equal to 0 astila. So now I can write simplify limit h tends to 0 minus ये कौन है इसको h by 1 minus h into it कहते हैं 1 h इधर reciprocal लेले 1 by minus h h cancel लेला remains लिखा है वो limit h tends to 0 1 by is the minus of 1 minus h. So h equal to 0 हमें इधर put कर दो h equal to 0 then what value will get ऊपर वाला 1 तले वाला h by 0 इधर put कर दो ले वाला 1 minus 0 equal to 1 अगर minus हो जाए -1 that equal to the -1. So this is the LHD equal to -1. Now we come to RHD. Okay, this is the LHD. Now RHD. In this section just I am going to write RHD. What is the difference between this and this you compare. RHD limit h tends to 0 plus f of c plus h minus f of c by plus h. This is the formula for RHD. So limit h tends to 0 plus f of c plus h equal to 1 by 1 plus h. So you put, so here it is h by 1 plus h. You put here h by 1 plus h minus f of c equal to 0 by plus h is there. This is the plus h. So limit h tends to 0 plus. Here it is h by 1 plus h this one into plus h hochi this one. h cancel होइला रोइला केते 1 plus h रोइला 0 plus h cancel होइला 1 by 1 plus h. Now instead of h you put what 0 h पाखरे 0 put करले 1 by 1 plus 0 that equal to 1. So LHD is not equal to RHD. LHD equal is lagi no. Then the function is what differentiable or not? Not differentiable. Since your idea LHD is not equal to RHD. So then what happens? It is not differentiable. at x equal to what? 1. X equal to 1, that is equal to 1 given. It is not differentiable. If it is differentiable, you should not check for the continuity. But here the continuity, we have to check for the continuity further because here it is not differentiable. Continuity by check करा हो, देखिए continuity by कौन कौन करता है, हला, so now for continuity you write here, for continuity, continuity you know limit LHL equal to RHL. Here f of c equal to what? F of c equal to 0 के, okay. Here LHL equal to limit h tends to 0 minus f of c minus h. That is f of c minus h formula. Limit h tends to 0 minus f of c minus h. Here came already, we have already found f of c minus h equal to h by 1 minus h. So instead of h you put 0, here both 0, then it is 0 by something equal to 0. RHL also, RHL equal to limit h tends to 0 minus plus f of c plus h. This equal to what? F of c plus h, f of c minus h. So limit h tends to 0 plus f of c plus h equal to, already we have found 1 plus h. H equal to 0 put कर देले 0 this one. So LHL equal to 0, RHL equal to 0, f of c equal to also 0. Here LHL equal to RHL equal to f of c equal to 0. So it is continuous. So here look at the function is continuous but not differentiable at x equal to 1. Okay, understood or not? जदि ये यही था ना, जदि differentiable ये था ना, continuous और check करिए दरकार पड़ना है. So this one. Start now. Next problem. Here is the next important problem for you. 6 and 7 I will do for you. 6 and 7 you will get. Question of 6 and 7 from the exercise. F of x equal to x by 1 plus mod x at x equal to 0. At x equal to 0 here. Okay. So this is the function f of x equal to this one. Also at x equal to 0 minus c equal to 0. Okay. Now start. Okay. Solution. At x equal to 0 means c equal to 0. F of c equal to means f of 0. c by ram के तो put करें 0 put करें 0 अर्थ हो जी f of x equal to एदी दिए जी x by ram कौन put करें 0 एदी put करें 0 put करके दें 0 by 1 plus 0 magnitude equal to 0. So f of c equal to 0 के. Okay. Start. Legend. First of all you find f of c minus h. F of c minus h. c माने कितने लीजिए 0 अच्छी. F of 0 minus h that equal to f of minus h. F of x equal to x by 1 plus mod x. F of minus h equal to, instead of x you put what? Minus h. So what value you will get? So here it is the minus h by 1 plus minus h magnitude. 1 plus minus h magnitude. So now get here minus h you write. Here it is minus h magnitude equal to plus h 1 plus h. So minus h by 1 plus h. Okay. Then f of c minus h. C plus h. So here c plus h means 0 plus h, that is equal to f of 0 plus h equal to h. So here instead of x you write what h. So here it is h by 1 plus h, magnitude of h also h. So LHL LHL RHL LHD and RHD. LHD equal to limit h tends to 0 minus f of c minus h minus f of c by minus h. This is what LHD. So instead of c minus h, f of c minus h equal to this one, you put here, right? Limit h tends to 0 minus this one what again? So minus h by 1 plus h minus f of c equal to what? 0 by minus h. So reciprocal then we get what? Limit h tends to 0 minus h by 1 plus h into 1 by minus h. Here minus h plus, so remains what? Limit h tends to 0 minus 1 by 1 plus h. So instead of h you put 0, then you get 1. H equal to 0 to put kale 1 as. So this is the LHD. Okay. Now you find RHD here also. Here I will do RHD. Okay. So now for RHD limit h tends to 0 plus f of c plus h minus f of c by plus h. Here it is a plus. F of c plus h equal to h by 1 plus h here came. Okay. F of c equal to 0. F of c equal to 0 came. So here you put 0 by plus h. So here plus, here also plus. HH pot. So HH pot remains what? 1 by 1 plus h equal to 1. Here LHD, RHD both are equal. So it is differentiable. Here LHD equal to RHD. So f of x is differentiable at x equal to 0. At x equal to 0, it is differentiable. So all differentiable functions are continuous. It have continuous by check करावे. कौन by continuous by check करावे ने? It differentiable जेतल पढ़े ऐसेला. This should not check for the continuous. This is the continuous also. It differentiable no आस्ते ले continuous by हमें check करता है. So already it is got differentiable and continuous. Okay. So this is important also. And the last one, the question number 7 from the exercise. I will do for you. Quickly look outside the problem. Question number 7. F of x equal to x sin 1 by x. X sin 1 by x. When x is not equal to 0. Equal to 0 if x equal to 0 at x equal to 0. So what is the meaning of this? Here is step function given. What is the meaning of this? For LHL and RHL, the function equal to this one. X equal to 0 means c equal to 0. At x equal to 0, its value f of x equal to 0. Means f of c ro value is already f of c equal to that is 0. It have find out kare darkar nahi. F of x equal to 0 jetala hobo, f of c equal to 0 means f of c equal to that is 0 already. Okay. So now start this solution. F of x equal to x sin 1 by x. At x equal to 0, c equal to 0. F of c means f of 0, this one f of 0 equal to this is given. So you write 0. Okay. During DI given मूल्य है से directly लिखा है. So now you find f of c minus h. F of c minus h means f of 0 minus h, f of 0 minus h, f of 0 minus h means कौन f of h, f of minus h, 0 minus h means minus h. So f of x एलागु x sin 1 by x होछ, f of minus h एलागु एठी पाखरे x पाखरे x पुट करा कौन आसी बेटी minus h sin 1 by minus h. So this is, but you look at sin रो जदि minus अछि, sin minus x equal to minus sin x. This property you apply. एटी minus अछि, minus टा आगु बाहर पड़े, एटा कोन प्लस हे जिवो h sin 1 by h. Okay, both are positive because it is minus minus plus. You can also write this one h sin 1 by h. Theta part को हम magnitude diagram में लिख मेरे because this is the positive and this is the positive. Okay, यदि f of c minus h, f of c plus h, f of c plus h equal to instead of what c minus h 0 plus h. So 0 c equal to 0, 0 plus h equal to कौन हम f of h. f of h means a पाखरे x पाखरे h पुट करा h sin 1 by h, that equal to, you can also write this is the positive and this positive, sin 1 by h, both you can also write this both cases c minus h c plus h. Okay, so our LHD and RHD find out करिया, केमती find out करिया, let's see. LHD limit h tends to 0 minus f of c minus h minus f of c by minus h. Limit h tends to 0 minus f of c minus h equal to this one. f of c minus h equal to capacity h sin 1 by h. f of c equal to 0. Previously we have done by minus h, by minus h, that equal to limit h tends to 0 minus, because that's the idea. It is like h it h sin 1 by h minus 0 by minus h. You can say like this what minus limit h tends to 0 minus sin 1 by h. Limit minus h tends to 0 minus sin 1 by 0. Sin 1 by 0 means something is infinity. Limit h tends to 0 minus, what this is, sin infinity. Sin infinity means that somewhere less than, or here it is the minus is there, so you put minus sin infinity. Minus sin infinity. Its value, what happens? Here कौन है? जी magnitude है चुने ना plus है से minus है सो, so it lies in between -1 to f of x less than 0. 0 to -1 भितरे ये रोइला, its value lies in between there. So RHD, you look at RHD. In the same I will do RHD for you. In ऊपर हम कर दूँ ची RHD, now look at कौन changes हुआ, this is the LHD कौन -1 to 0 भितरे, this lies -1 to 0. RHD कौन कौन एटा प्लस एसियो, एटा प्लस एसियो, this is the plus, एटा प्लस एसिला, एटा प्लस एसिला, एटा रिलेशन, so एटा कौन एसिला प्लस एसिला, एटा प्लस, so एटा कौन एसिला माइनस और ना है भितरे, माइनस रहला, एटा प्लस रहला, माइनस रहला, this is the plus, 1 by 0, this is the what, sin infinity. Sin infinity मूल्य एटा कौन होची, 0 to, that lies in between f of x ର value ଟା କେତେ 0 2 plus 1 ଭିତରେ ରହିବ less than equal to 1 or this is 0 ଏତି ଭିତରେ ରହିବ f of x ର ତାର previous value ଟା କଣ -1 to 0 ଏଟା होची +1 to 0 therefore LHD is not equal to RHD LHD is not equal to RHD so it is not differentiable it is not differentiable so for continuity we have already done continuity पे हमें कर दे जे तार previous exercise रे ये जो problem टा x sin 1 by x रे कराई छी so you try to do this one for continuity check from previous exercise okay so this is the problem of differentiability and you complete the remaining part of the problem here are the problems 7j 1 to 7 here one problem lies one problem 8 number question number 8 okay question number 8